it's even bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Tell them walk block. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and if you like the sound of that, please be sure to subscribe. So today, as you can see by the title, we are going to be turning my mum into me. But what she doesn't know is that I'm going to be gifting her a necklace from Ona Luisa. So Ona Luisa has kindly sponsored this video. They gifted me with this necklace that I'm wearing here, and also the necklace that I'm going to be giving my mum. She doesn't know that part, but just keep watching. Hi guys, meet my beautiful mum. So today I'm going to be glamming her up. This is a video that I've been wanting to do for a while. So when Ona Luisa reached out to me to do a Mother's Day inspired video, I jumped at the chance. So if you don't know already, Ona Luisa is a sustainable jewelry company. I've worked with them multiple times and I'm always in love with their pieces. They have very beautiful, unique, dainty pieces which I use all the time. Almost all the jewelry that you see me wearing is going to be Ona Luisa because I've worked with them a few times and I just love their pieces. I love their pieces so much. So at the minute, Ona Luisa is having a 15% off Mother's Day sale. So this is the perfect time to pick up some items, and your girl has a 10% off code. So I'm going to have that on the screen, and you can also just go through the link in my bio, in my description, link in bio, whatever. But yeah, if you're looking for the time to shop on Ona Luisa, the time is now. So you can get a good, nice discount. After the 15% off, you can also get 10% off, which is a steal. That's a steal. So if you're looking for a time to shop at Ona Luisa, now is the time. Get yourself a gift, get your mom a gift, get your friends a gift. Enjoy the video. Oh, she has so many cute little baby white hairs.
Gosh.
Not a lot, but like it's just shocking because you've never really had any.
I've never really had any. Your daddy used his mouth to bring it on.
Yeah, Dad has loads now.
And the other day he was talking to me, he said to me, "Oh, look at all the grey." I said, "Where? Which grey hair?" Yeah. And then from that time I started noticing them.
There's loads, like not loads, but just a lot more than I could notice before. It's cute though.
I don't want
Soon you'll be a silver fox.
I don't want them.
You don't want to be a silver fox?
No, not yet.
When you're 60?
Yeah, when I'm 60. I'm too young for that.
Can I say your age?
Yeah, when I'll be 50.
Yeah, my mom is going to be 50 next month. No, in 2 months.
In 2 months,
Yes.
I like the fact that I'm aging gracefully.
Yeah, you are actually. Everyone says you look so good. Everyone does.
Thank you, because I do.
Why didn't I take confidence from you?
You are confident in just different ways.
Yeah, true.
It's just because you're modest.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
It's funny how all our faces are like darker than our chests.
I know. It's this exposure to sun.
Yeah, and then when we match to our face, it just doesn't look right compared to the chest.
You know my face. You know my face like the back of your hand.
Because it's my face.
I know. I always wish I could import you.
I always wish I was there because I was like, oh, it would be at your face.
Oh no. It'll be banging.
But when you do your party makeup in Nigeria, it's always banging.
I know.
But filming makeup and party, that's where I differ, because I'm better at like soft glam. Soft glam is like where I excel. But when it's time to do
I'm a
party
soft glam
makeup,
person.
what now? You've converted. You've hung up your Niger glam.
You converted me. At first, you know I used to kick a fuss.
Yes. Please add more glitter. Why are you doing it so dull? I like green. I like my green to shine.
Yeah, I'm a colourful woman. But now I just want the classic K.
Yes. And those are the kind of conversions I like.
I know. But when I'm in Nigeria, I'll still use my colour. When I'm going to a party. What are you using?
I use the Nars foundation mixed in with a little bit of the NYX foundation. I'll have everything linked in the description box. Okay. So I don't want to be too tutorial-y in this video. I just want to be chit chat and relaxed.
Okay.
Have you seen the vision already? So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit while I do your contour. Michael says that everyone that I do their makeup ends up looking like me.
I don't know if that's true. but there's this touch you have. They'll be beautiful in a subtle way.
You think so?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like the lady you did her makeup yesterday. Oh,
Michael said she looked like me.
Really beautiful. Yeah, she kind of looked like you.
Michael said the way I did her makeup, she looked like me.
She kind of looked like you. Okay, what have you taught me? What is it that Kay has taught me? So many things though. Number one, she taught me how to be a parent.
I taught you how to be a parent?
Yeah. What do I mean by that? I've been parenting the way I knew how to. Until you guys grew up and taught me the way you want me to behave towards you. You know, I'm coming from where I grew up, which is Nigeria. The way my parents did parent me, and the result is, you know, success today. So I wanted to treat you guys, I wanted to be so strict on you guys the same way. And then your reactions to that was not what I was expecting. And then from your reactions to when I sit down with you and discuss with you, I always got what I wanted. So you guys taught me how to be a better parent.
Wow, that's crazy. Wow.
You know,
I feel like that's just true in life, that you, as you go out through life, you're just going to be learning more and more.
So that's one of the things you taught me. But you in particular, what did you teach me? You changed my my definition of beauty.
Really? Where?
I'm now more of less is more. You know, when you were growing up, I would put gold eyeliner. I would do my, I would line, you know, highlights and everything. I'll do all my makeup.
I never thought your makeup was too much.
Way. Sorry?
I never saw your makeup as too much.
No, but for me now, bringing it, the first time you tried to tone it down, I was like,
yeah,
no,
that's true.
That's not what I want.
Like, please bring out the glitter, bring out the color.
Bring it out. But now, I've come to love the new me. And if anybody's even trying to do the too much thing for me, I'm like, whoa.
Funnily enough, I think it suits you though.
Yeah, because I ended up trusting you, and you ended up bringing out the best in me. So I have a better version of myself because I allowed you to just, because it was difficult for me to learn how to keep quiet.
Oh my god, when I used to do my mom's makeup, when I first came back from Nigeria, if you guys don't know, I went to uni in Nigeria, and then I used to do people's makeup for like dinners and whatnot. And then when I first came back from Nigeria, it's okay. When I first came back from Nigeria, my mom was like, "Oh, you should become a makeup artist. You can practice on my face and everything." The way my mom was as a client, I said, "Never! I would never become a makeup artist."
I know.
Wow, she's a very difficult client, but she's become calmer over the years. But like, she's like, "You didn't blend this side well. You need to add some more here, please. You don't know how I like my face."
Because I know my own face. I'm not one of these moms that only grew up to start wearing makeup. I've been from the day of fashion fair.
My mom's even the one that made me fall in love with makeup.
YSL, my lip liners and everything, my mascara. You know, from the day of fashion fair.
You know how me, I'm a drugstore babe. My mom is not a drugstore babe. My mom is luxury and above, high end and above. Mac is the lowest she goes. Me, I can't afford it though.
You can. You just
I mean,
like
now
to
I
explore.
can.
You just like to explore, and I like you because you don't condemn anything. You don't hype anything. You try everything, and then you draw your conclusions from everything. You don't assume. You're very unassuming.
That's very true. That's very true, because I never really thought of myself like that, but everything you said was true.
Yeah. Wow. You do try everything. You say, even people, you don't condemn, you don't assume they're good, you don't assume they're bad. You give everybody a fair chance, and then you draw your conclusions.
That's so true. Look up for you? Are you sure you want to use this powder?
Huh?
I said, are you sure
I want to use it. I want to use it.
Luxury mama.
I like the way it melted into your skin the other day.
Thank you.
You blended so well.
It blends very beautifully. I do think that I need the 30 though, because I think the
we'll buy the
shade
30. Let's just buy the 30.
Pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
feel that it's a bit dark.
I told you.
But it's okay. I like the blend.
I told you. You know what? Listen to me. So I told you.
I like it.
Let me try and put like a little bit of a lighter powder on this to try and balance it out. We're gonna go into Old Faithful.
If you mix a little bit of it with the Buddha one, or what's it called?
Buddha.
If you mix it together.
I might do that, but to be honest, I've already made up my mind that I'm getting 30. I didn't like. I wanted to save money and be frugal, but like when you know how good something is, you're just gonna get it. Like if you know what's good for you. You know, like better. Let me ask you some questions now. So I think I've got 2 more questions for you.
Okay.
So most of them were compliments, saying that we look like twins. Some said that you look like Oprah.
Oh, I hear that all the time.
Okay, another 2 questions is, what's something that I do that annoys you? And what's something you do that annoys me? You first.
What you do that annoys me, you're stubborn.
Stubborn?
You can be stubborn.
Yeah, no, I can be.
You're a very firm girl.
I can be, but I'm not that stubborn. I usually get accused of being a pushover. Yes.
Yeah, you're soft, but if you believe in something,
yeah, stand by it.
You stand by it, and
That's
no matter what, if you have decided that no, I'm not reasoning with you.
I think I always reason with people. It's just that
no. Once you make that decision, that I'm not reasoning with you on this, except the person leaves it. And then come back to it.
But then I can say the same for you because you like rarely give room.
Rarely?
Yes, rarely.
No, maybe when it comes to you guys, maybe when it comes to children.
Yes.
Children.
I'm not gonna lie, you do have some insights that we don't have, but at the same time, being a mother alone doesn't negate the fact that we have to bring.
But now you're grown, and I.
It's true. You're not that.
But when you were young, you can't just allow the children to do everything the children want.
Yeah, but I don't like. I'm actually very. I adhere to the rules for the most part.
You are not such a handful.
I adhere to the rules for the most part.
But your brother.
But I feel like I definitely got the brunt of it. I got the brunt of it. Yes. Nobody got
you're a girl. You're the only girl. So you're trying to just allow you.
In other families, the only girl is the one that gets spoiled.
Sorry, this is my family.
The third question.
No, you haven't answered what I do that annoys you.
No, I said the same thing goes for me.
Okay.
The same thing does go for me. But the third question was, what are you most proud of me for?
Oh, a lot of things, to be very honest. From the fact that you were never a bad child. Everything, when I hear parents talking about their teenage daughters, I can't relate. And that's the truth. I can't relate. There was never a time you jumped out of the house to sleep outside. There was never a time you never came home. There was never a time you tried smoking. There was never a time you tried drinking, you know? I can't relate. I simply cannot relate when people are talking about their challenges with their teenage daughters. Like, it's like I had an angel.
Oh, that's so sweet. Let me do your eyeliner. You know what? I'm just gonna go into blush and maybe into lips, and then we'll do eyes and stuff off camera because it's gonna be a struggle. Like
my eyes are sensitive.
That's true. My eyes are sensitive too. I got it from you. I can't even go outside. The wind.
The pendant.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Do you like it?
Is it pearl?
Yes, it's the real pearl.
So tiny though.
I know, but do you like it?
I love it. It suits you. You know, dainty things suit.
Open it.
Oh. No wonder when I said I should have used something to match your. Oh, it's even bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. How come you didn't tell me?
It was meant to be a surprise. I wanted to get your reaction.
Oh, lovely. I do like it.
And I know you love mother of pearl.
Oh, I love it. You got me to wear eyelashes. Wow.
Yeah, that's true.
You better take a lot of pictures of me in this.
No problem.
To advertise your own brand.
They don't even know yet. I haven't even told them yet. That's true. Don't worry, I'll tell them. I'll tell them. So guys, I'm starting a lash brand. I'm still in the
testing.
Yeah, in the testing phase. But I'm hoping to launch by my birthday, which is July 7th. But just keep your fingers crossed for me, and I'm going to be asking you guys questions every now and then. But yeah, if you see any lashes I'm wearing, it's my lashes.
Yes, and that's what I'm wearing.
Yeah, I love them on you.
I know, I love them.
I'm surprised I got you to wear them, but they look so good. Like, I've never seen you in lashes before.
Never. Well, I've tried, but I always take them out immediately. I could never wear them comfortably. These ones are like, I'm not wearing anything for see.
Really?
The first time I knew it was there, but now it's like I don't think
I
about
told
it.
you just need to relax for like a few seconds and then you feel and then you won't feel them anymore. Yeah. And also I customize them to your eyes as well. Yeah, that's nice. You're looking so good actually.
I've said it already. No one be like you. Oh my god, my daughter is so pretty. I look like her. She's taking years off me now.
You look so good.
Thank you.
You look so good.
Calm down, let them see us.
But yeah, that is all for today guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please make sure you're subscribed, and I'll love to see you in the next one.
Thank you.